안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. So today we'll be learning about color in Korean. And the color in Korean is called 색깔. 색깔. Okay. So our first color is red. And red in Korean is called 빨강. 빨강. Or you can say 빨강색. So that's the color red. But just red itself is 빨강. 빨강. Okay, so 빨강색 is red color red. Okay, and the next one is orange. Orange color is 주황. 주황. The color of orange, 주황색. So you just have to put the word 색 at the end. So color was 색깔. So just the first one, 색. 주황색. Orange color. So 주황 is orange. Next one is yellow. Yellow is 노랑. 노랑. So color of yellow. Yellow color is 노랑색. 노랑색. Okay, next one is the color of green. Green is 초록. 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 So the final consonant, final basic consonant is the 그. So 초록. 초록색. All right. Next one is blue. Blue color is 파랑. 파랑 is blue. Blue color is 파랑색. Okay. And navy, we say 남색. Interesting is that it's not navy color, it's just navy, but we say 남색. 남. So 남색. So 색 is color, 남색. All right. And for the next one, purple. Color purple is 보라. 보라. So purple color is 보라색. 보라색. Purple. 보라. Okay, so let us review all the colors. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, navy, purple, 빨강, 주황, 노랑, 초록, 파랑, 남색, and 보라. Okay, so that was our first set of colors. We will continue with more colors. Brown color is 칼색. 칼색, just like the navy, 남색, this also has the 색 after car. 칼색. Brown color. Brown. Now, pink. Pink is called 분홍. Okay, listen carefully. 분홍. So these two syllables has the final consonant. 분홍. 분홍. Pink color. 분홍색. Pink color. Next one, light green, is 연두. 연두. Light green. 연두. 연두색. Light green color. 연두색. Okay, moving on. Sky blue. 하늘. 하늘색. So sky is, I'm sure you would have figured out, sky is 하늘. So sky blue sky blue color. So 하늘색. Okay. Oh, black. Okay. Is 검정. 검정. So black color is 검정색. 검정색. Okay, next one. White color. White is 하양. 하양. Well, but when we say white color, we say 하얀색, not 양색. 하얀색. But for now, we're just learning the white, so it's 하양. Okay, next one. Gray color. 회색. 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 Okay. And for the next one, it is not a color, but it's the contrast. Light is 밝은. 밝은. Okay, so we haven't learned the complex, the double consonant, but that's okay. Just follow after me. 밝은. I will guide you. So this 은 right here is pronounced 근. 근, not 은. Okay, so this is just by itself is 은, but since this 밝은 is light, so for the double complex consonant, this is for the pronunciation. You have to imagine that it becomes this. So it's 발. So for pronunciation, 밝은. That's how it's supposed to be pronounced for this two syllables. So it's written like this, 리을 and 기역 together as a final double complex consonant. But when it's pronounced, this 기역 is placed here, even though it is written like this, 밝은. So it's pronounced as 밝은. Okay. So I kind of thought that, approaching this way, before learning the complex double consonant, just being exposed to different vocabs that has double complex consonant like this and kind of get used to it. And then later on, in the future lesson, when you learn the actual double complex consonant, then you'll be like, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so that is the direction and approach that I am taking. So hopefully it will help you out better. So one more time, this is 밝은. It's like the contrast of light. Okay, getting lighter. All right, so the opposite of light is dark. The contrast dark. So it's getting darker, 어두운. 어두운. That's dark. 어두운. Okay? 어두운. Okay, so let us review all the second set of colors that we did. 갈색, which is brown. So we did brown, pink, light green, sky blue, black, white, gray, light, and dark. So let's go by one. 갈색, brown, 분홍, pink, 연두, light green, 하늘색, sky blue, 검정, black, 하양, white, 회색, gray, 밝은 light, 어두운 dark. Okay, and that's all for the colors today, 색깔. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next lesson. 수고하셨습니다. Thank you.